If you come to court in pajamas or with house shoes or any of the other nonsense that you've been wearing, then there will be a warrant issued. I'm going to raise your bond and you're going to go to jail. If you want to go sleep in PJs, you can do it in jail. Don't show up like that again. Do you understand? There's nothing about this that's funny. There's nothing about, you shouldn't be rushing. Wake up early, get here on time. We've had this problem every single time. So why were you late today?
I was late today. My mama, well, I woke up on time this morning and I was to wake my mom up, but she didn't wake up because I guess she was on her medicine. I guess it still made her tired, but I hurried up and woke up this morning and stuff like that. And yeah, that's it. Judge, I'm sorry. And
Did you go talk to some lawyers?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to Mr. West. He still hasn't given my price yet.
Who?
Mr. West.
Okay.
He haven't given my price yet. I haven't come back contact with me. And I talked to Mr. Rife. He charged me 1,500. And I talked to Jade of Peros of your law enforcement in Beaumont, Texas. She told me if I was to plead guilty, my charge would have been 5,000. And if I was to plead, no, my bad, I'm sorry. If I was to plead guilty, my total would have been 35,000. Oh, not, and if I was to plead not guilty, my charge would have been 5,000. And I also
3,500, not 35,000, I'm guessing.
I'm sorry. And I also contact the criminal authority, Mr. Dustin. He wasn't in his office.
Okay.
And I also called Miss Larnie Caroso. She didn't answer either, and they haven't came back into me. And
did you get that drug patch put on?
Yes, I did. I also got the drug patch overnight, and you did say like I only had it for a week overnight, and it's on me. I was taking a shower and stuff like that, and it was sleeping off, and I had to wrap it up. But today I'm finna go back up there to get a new one, so I don't get in trouble. But yes.
Have you smoked since last week?
Nope. No, ma'am.
I want that drug patch on this week.
Yes, ma'am.
People wear drug patches all the time.
Yes.
And they don't come off when they take showers.
Yes.
Okay. So whatever you have to do to keep that drug patch on, you do it.
Yes, ma'am. Like today,
If I don't care, doesn't matter. All right. The excuses don't matter anymore to me. If you're going to be out on bond, then you're going to wear the drug patch. You have to wear it. You have to keep it on. If it means wrapping it up with something more than what they put on, I don't care how you do it. Make sure it's on. Make sure it's tested every 2 weeks. If it's not, and there's another issue with that drug patch, I will raise the bond. Do you understand?
Yes.
There won't be any excuses of whatever you were doing.
Yes.
I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork today to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Okay, thank you for doing most of what I asked you to do. You need to fill out this paperwork accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. I'm also going to recall that bond forfeiture. Step in front of the clerk on the end, bring your papers. And she'll tell you what you need to do with that paper. Forfeit that bond for non-appearance at this time. Reset it at 100,000. Austin Jones. Good morning. Are you Austin Jones?
Yep. Right.
And Mr. Jones, this is your initial appearance in clause number 26, DCCR 1137. You are charged with a third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from March 26th of 2026. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No.
So what I'm going to do, Mr. Jones, is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone.
I don't have to prosecute.
Well, if you bond it out, then I expect you to at least try to hire someone. So I'm going to give you 30 days to try to do that. And if you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They all have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would have to go back to jail.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
You'll step in front of the clerk, she'll give you a reset notice. Cedric Martin Harris. Good morning, you're Lance White.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. White, did you get a lawyer hired?
Spoke with Mrs. Brittany Holmes. She told me about just to get some paperwork from you or something for her to be my lawyer. And I spoke with Mr. Durham out in Houston, Texas, and Rowan Harris.
Okay,
I spoke with Miss Brittany Holmes. She wouldn't even. She just told me, "You've been to court." I said, "Yes, ma'am." She said, "If they give you a piece of paper, the paper I had."
so your reset notice. So here's the thing, like with, so Ms. Holmes was appointed to represent you when you were in custody. So technically she's your attorney, but you can either hire her or hire someone else. It's so where are you on being able to get one of those attorneys hired?
Durham charged me, told me the consultation for my case would be, they would charge me for Gresham to be my lawyer, and I wouldn't be able to come up with that amount.
Sure, who else did you talk to?
Ron Harris,
Okay,
and he's a little higher than Durham.
okay, did you talk to anyone else?
Besides that, three, Brittany Holmes, Ron, and
And did
others.
Ms. Holmes, did you talk to her about hiring her?
I didn't even get that far with her. She just told me to get some paperwork from you guys and bring it to her office. I don't know what type of paperwork.
Well, that's if you have a court appointed attorney. Are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where are you working?
I work at Bailey Hotel in Port Arthur.
So it just depends, Mr. White, on your income and your bills. I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely because you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then we'll take a look at it. If you step in front of the clerk on the end, she'll give you that paperwork. Tevin Edmonson. It's okay. It's all right. I see you got, don't worry about it. Good morning. And sir, you're Tevin Edmonson?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Edmonson, were you able to get someone hired?
I was originally gonna go with Miss Brittany Holmes, but I had this accident, so my funds kind of got messed up. So I spoke with Mr. Marvin Lewis, and he's willing to work with me. So this evening I will meet him. If you can give me like a week or 2 week reset, and I have more information for you
Okay, so you think you're gonna be able to get Mr. Lewis hired?
for sure.
Okay, well, I'll give you just a normal reset. That'll give you 30 days,
Yeah.
right? So if you get Mr. Lewis hired, just bring the reset notice that you get today to him. He'll tell you what to do. If for some reason that's not going to work out, talk to some other attorneys, see if there's someone else. If there's still an issue because of your accident, just bring me some documentation of that and then we'll talk about your options, okay?
I apologize again for this.
It's okay. I totally understand. Thank you, sir, for the apology. Step in front of the clerk. Marin Ezel or Ezel? Good morning. Are you Marin? Is it Ezel? Ezel? And Mr. Ezel, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26 DCCR 1062. You're charged with theft of property with previous convictions from April 8th of 2026. Your indictment alleges several prior offenses of, well, it's like a few of theft and then there's some possessions back in 2009. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Let me look at something real quick. So what I'm gonna do, is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If you get someone hired before the next court date, then I'm ordering you, or then just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer if you hire someone. If you're unable to hire someone, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me the names of the lawyers that you talk to, so I know you're trying and we'll discuss your options.
Okay.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order and you would go back to jail. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Step in front of the clerk, she'll give you your reset notice. Sylvester Hassan. Good morning, sir. You're Sylvester Hassan. And Mr. Hassan, did you get someone hired?
Hey, you know, hard.
Who'd you talk to?
And person. That's what I was trying to get.
Who?
I remember his name. But where's the one I was trying to get from last time?
So if you're unable to get him hired, I'm pretty sure I told you to at least talk to some others to see where are you on the getting somebody hired?
That's it.
Well, who else have you talked to? How do you know they're all employed?
The price you really be asking for. There's a lot of them.
Who all have you talked to?
Every name half of them too.
Why wouldn't you write that down and bring it to me like I asked you before?
You give me X-Men, I was writing them down and bringing, then I'm trying to go with that one.
With Mr. Macon? If you don't even remember his name, how are you trying to go with him?
I know it when I see it, like the quarter point, not option, you know.
Well, it just depends. You got to do what I asked you to do first. If I test you this morning, you gonna have anything in your system?
No, I'm sleep.
You're sleepy? Have a seat in the jury box. Let's get you tested, make sure.